Hey creepers, today I got a trade box from my friend Amy over at Amy's Autopsy Report. She has an awesome channel, go check her out. She mostly does VHS, but she does a really good content. I really enjoy following her. I had a couple items that I thought she might like, so I went ahead and sent those to her, and then we went ahead and did a trade box. So let's go ahead and dig in and see what she sent. Okay, looks like a shirt. Ah, that's cool. I love it. I love me Leatherface. That's awesome. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. That's really cool. Like the shirt. And then we got a bag here. Looks like we got some goodies. Some flyers from Naked Eye Studios and Horror Merc. That's probably where the shirt's from. Let's go ahead and see what's in this little bag right here. A little bag of goodies. Oh, that's cool. It's a pin of the van from Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the first movie. Let me take that out. Take that out. See if you can get it better. Got the van. It's got the little bit of blood on it. See if you can see that better. It's got a picture of them in the back with Franklin. That's a really cool pin. I've never seen that one before. Got a pumpkin magnet. That's cool. Go up on the fridge. Looks like I got a little zombie and a little skeleton figure. These things are a lot of fun. I'll put those up with my smalls. Oh, that's cool. Looks like we got another Texas Chainsaw pin. Let me take it out so I can show it to you guys. And it's of the gas station from the movie. That's real cool. I believe that's a real place where you can actually spend the night in a cabin. That would be fun. So we got that pin. Double clasp back. Came with this really cool little zombie handbag. And let's see, what do we got? Making sure I didn't drop anything. We got some cool stickers from her page, Amy's Autopsy Report. Like I said, definitely give her a watch. Check her out. She's got a lot of cool content. Then we got Cavity Colors. They make some really cool shirts. Got a Goosebump sticker with Hocus Pocus. It looks like we got a couple little... Oh, that's cool. We got a little pumpkin pin, pumpkin skull mashup. And it looks like she got some of her own pins made. We got an Amy's Autopsy Report pin. I'll put that on one of my jackets. Okay. And let's see. Looks like we have one more item in here. Looks like it's vinyl. I am a sucker for vinyl. No, wow, what's this? Oh, that is so cool. That is awesome. Let me cut this open. That is awesome. Got a slip mat for my record player, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. That is awesome. You sent some really cool stuff. Thank you, Amy. So that concludes the box. Loved everything. Thank you very much. And go ahead and check her out. Amy's Autopsy Report. Bye.